and we're back with another video. And today
we're gonna do the, well, it's not the spicy noodle challenge, but it's
the
like
volcano chicken noodle sandwich.
Okay.
Alright, so let's get started. I know you guys have been really
disliking our video.
that too, but you guys have been like pressuring us to do it, so we finally got around to it. We've been really busy.
Yeah.
So let's get started on
Okay,
it.
I want to start off by saying this channel is a positive vibe only channel. We try to keep it as positive as we can. That being said, we're gonna start off the video by cooking. If you want to see more video of us, all you have to do is just subscribe, you know, it's not that hard. We will be doing the giveaway at 50 subs. Stay tuned if you want to watch us do the spicy noodle challenge. What?
Next video, we'll be pranking the pizza man.
Don't listen to me, Andrew.
Oh, for real?
You don't own a measuring cup, so we're using the blender.
I hope that's 600 milliliters of water.
No, that looks like a little bit.
You want these first screws at work?
Ooh.
You know how to make that, right?
Yeah. And these are little plates.
I don't know how to make those type of noodles. Is it done?
I don't know.
They made me listen to a lot of stuff in here. Alright, he said put it in a flask. A flask.
Oh, what's a flask?
I don't know.
Flask. Oh, drain it out?
Yeah.
Okay
I
then.
think so, do, bro. Right?
Yeah. That one shouldn't be spicy. That one's just a sauce.
What do you mean that's just the sauce?
It's spicy, but it's gonna wear off right now.
Yeah, it is.
Just, yeah.
I'm gonna add these, alright?
But I guess this one's gonna make it worse.
Yeah, look at this shit.
Those seeds are gonna kill me.
I don't think anything's worse than the ghost pepper that I did, though. Are we supposed to add the whole thing?
I don't know.
Ah, shit, fuck it. Fudge it, sorry. That was a lot. Oh, Lord.
Are y'all ready for this? You ready?
Nah, my stomach isn't either, nor is my butt.
I haven't ate anything, so
Yeah.
this is gonna kill me.
Or fudged.
This is your typical Mexican bowl.
Oh, well.
You sure you want to use that one?
Oh, fuck.
Guys, I only ate one noodle without adding the flakes, and my nose is already runny. Alright, my ears are huge. Get my napkin ready.
I'm trying to eat this whole entire bowl without drinking anything.
Smell.
Shit.
I don't know if I did this wrong, because it's kind of gooey.
I don't know, probably.
What?
Shit burned my throat.
It's hot though.
I think I messed up because I was trying to give you the hottest one.
How?
Oh, shoot.
It's good though.
Oh, hell no, this ain't good. Look how gooey mine is compared to yours.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, hell no. Are you feeling it? No? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Be honest. Are you feeling it? Yeah. You're such a
Is my
liar.
mouth orange? Because yours is.
For real? Oh no, you got lipstick on.
It's not that bad. It is spicy.
I wish I had ordered the other ones.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is tolerable, but it's hot. Like, Like I can feel it.
It's really hard to chew it.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I know it's hot.
Look at hers. And look at mine. Yeah, honestly, we should have got those.
But this was hot. You know what challenge I want to do? The one chip challenge. But you know how expensive that is for one chip? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because this is all I hear. You want to know what I want to try? The one chip challenge.
I'm Mexican, okay? So I could tolerate this. Andrew's, what are you? Caucasian?
Yeah.
Caucasian. He can't handle spiciness. Until he met me. But I mean, that's barely. He could barely handle it. I want to drink that so bad. Let's take a big bite.
You better eat all that shit.
You're sweaty. Have mocos.
Oh,
Okay, I'll eat all this.
wait, hold on. Wait. There's no fucking way.
It's getting to that point where my mocos are starting to turn bubbly. Did you take my napkin?
Yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna get a taste later while I'm at work. My stomach hurts. And meanwhile, I'm gonna be at work.
Taking a dump. Whew.
Probably gonna get fired. Cause I'm gonna be on the toilet for 95% of the job.
This is gonna get me on the toilet for 1 hour. And I'm not kidding, when I'm on the toilet, I'm on the toilet for 1 hour.
Shit on the toilet 10 minutes alone. Oh fuck. I'm like crying over here, dude.
I'm not crying.
Yeah, but look at mine compared to yours. I've been eating more. I'm gonna have to drink.
And this is not even the spicy noodle. Oh, I wanna drink something so bad. Alright guys,
Fuck it. I'm gonna finish this shit.
we're gonna try to finish it.
Look,
But
that's all I got left.
I don't think I'll be able to finish this because I don't even eat that much. For a cheeseburger, I only eat like half a cheeseburger. God. Oh my god.
She eats a half a McDonald's cheeseburger.
A half a McDonald's cheeseburger. I don't even eat that much.
And she's a half a slice of pizza, not a half a pizza. A half a
Ooh,
slice.
I burped. I have to drink something right now.
Oh shit,
Look
that
at
hit hard
this.
as fuck. Yeah, I gotta do it.
It's gooey. Ah.
You're not gonna be able to finish. Oh, all over your shirt. If I was prepared to show you guys my nose, I would, but you don't want to see up in this. That's a no-no.
Ugh.
I like feel it coming out of my nose. It's hot. It's
I
hot.
feel it on my tongue. I'm starting to sweat. It just came out. I have to drink it.
This milk didn't even help.
Oh, have mercy. I have mocos coming out. Molly, See if my dog wants it. Come here. Come here, Mama. Get up. Get up. Come here. Spicy noodle challenge with my dog. Oh, she's not stupid. Oh, that didn't work. I hate milk. Yeah, I'll take water. You know what challenge I want to do? You guys, comment down below if you guys want to see this challenge. It's the Buffalo Wild Wings. The hottest wing.
You can't even handle 2 miles. What are you talking about, the hottest
Okay,
wing?
but we could do the hottest wing from Buffalo Wild Wings. Comment down below if you want to watch that. Woo! Have boogers coming out. Okay.
Babe, she's not gonna eat it. She's not dumb. Yeah, see, she's
Oh,
not stupid.
Molly, you're so picky.
Oh, you gotta finish. I finished
No,
mine.
I'm not finishing. My stomach's burning. Hi, Mama. I love you. You want food? You're so picky, I swear. You're like those people who like offer them like hot Cheetos and they're like, no, I only eat cheese.
I feel like I got Kylie Jenner lips on.
They're not even that big. Your lips are really tiny.
Nah, but my lips feel really fat.
You know what else feels fat?
Your stomach?
My tongue.
Oh.
Feels like it's swollen.
Yeah.
Michael.
Oh boy.
Could I get a... Oh yeah! It doesn't go like that. He's like, could I get a... Oh yeah!
And guess 'cause she don't get too many likes.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna have to call off work.
No, you're not. We need this money. We need to pay off the rent. Guys, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna
It'll
be
be
doing...
somewhere right here.
We're gonna be doing the 50... you know, I can't talk.
50 subscriber giveaway.
Whew. To enter our giveaway, all you have to do is just like, comment, be subscribed, of course, and
Share.
share. Obviously, we're trying to get up to 50 subscribers.
Wait, hold on. Does this come from your mouth?
Yeah, that's my lipstick. You have to comment on our video. Welcome to our channel, Steph and Drew. I'll leave a link down below in the description box. 50 subscribers, guys. We're going to be doing the giveaway.
One guy giveaway and one girl giveaway.
Ooh, I have that mocha up in the nose. I have a little plankton.
But yeah, so we're gonna give it away. We don't know what our next video is. We're gonna plan on pranking the pizza guy. We gotta plan it out though.
But yeah, guys, like I said, big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys next time on our next video.
As always,
Positive vibes only.
Not with that negative stuff.
No negativity here on this channel. Alright.
But these noodles are negative to my stomach.
Alright.
Oh man.
We're gonna end the video right here. Don't fart, please.
I was like, oh fuck. And then because we have lockers in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So then he was at his locker and I heard it like open and close.
Oh, so he wasn't using the restroom. He was just chilling there.
Oh yeah, he was just chilling on his phone
Oh.
because it was during break.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh fuck no. So and it breaks 15 minutes.
Oh,
So I used
yeah.
the whole 15 minutes.
Oh, you did.
Yeah. So I was like, oh fuck. And then it kept going. It was like loud as fuck. I was like, oh.
Was it echoey?
Huh?
Was it
Yeah,
echoey?
because there was no one in there. There's 2 different rooms. There's a bathroom and then there's lockers. And then
But you can hear everything, right?
yeah. And then so I hear this dude laughing. And then he was like, hey, who's in here? And I was like, oh, it's Odom. And then he's like, bro, because I know him, I work with him. So he's like, bro, are you good? And then I'm like, nah, bro, I ate some fucking spicy noodles before work. And so he's like, bro, that shit fucking stinks. And I'm like, bro, I can't fucking help it, my stomach hurting. And he was like, hey, I got some Pepto-Bismol in my locker, you want it? And I was like, nah, I'm good, bro. And then I was like, hey, this is weird, but I was like, hey, can we not talk about this shit? And then he was like, yeah, no problem. So he walked out, and when he walked out, like it was to the point to where, like, it was all over my ass. Yeah, bro, like, I'm telling you. And then, like,
Did you let it go after you like heard him leave?
yeah, I let that shit rip. Yeah, 'cause
was
I was
it
holding
louder
it
than
in.
before?
Yeah, no, my stomach was bubbling. I'm like, oh fuck no. So I didn't want to just like let that shit rip while he was in there talking to me.
Yeah.
And then so when I went to go wipe my ass, and like it was some soft ass toilet paper, like yeah, it was super soft. It's not rough like, you know, normal like Walmart and shit would
Yeah.
be. So I wiped my ass. I'm like, oh fuck, there's nothing there. So then I go wipe my ass again, and then like I'm telling you, that shit was a lot of shit all over my ass. Like it was diarrhea. And yeah, I had diarrhea. My stomach was so fucked up. Like I'm telling you, like it was like all right here on my ass, and then all right here on my ass. Like I had my water bottle with me. I brought from home, right?
Yeah.
Because there was 2 in the fridge and then 2 in the freezer. So I got the one from the fridge, and then I poured a little on there so nothing got stuck to my ass. And I started wiping, and I was like, oh man, my fucking asshole.
Wait, but
burning.
did that cold water feel good?
Yeah, it felt good because my asshole was burning. Yeah, so then after like,
What color was it?
huh? I don't know. I didn't look in the fucking toilet. I just wiped my ass. Like, that's weird. What am I supposed to do? Wipe my ass and then, oh shit, that's a beautiful ass color, and then throw it back? No, that's weird. That's weird shit.
It didn't hit me till I went to go pick you up. Before I went to go pick you up, I was in there for like 15 minutes.
Like my stomach was burning.
Wait, how did you handle the first 2 hours?
Huh?
How did you handle the first 2 hours of work?
Painfully?
Really?
Yeah. I
Dang.
feel like throwing up so many times.
Dang.
Yeah.
How do you feel now?
Like I got a shit again.
Was that embarrassing?
Huh?
Was that embarrassing?
Obviously.
It's okay. He said he'll never speak of it again.
I know.
He'll probably go home and tell his friends and family.
I'm gonna fucking go home and tell his wife and kids is what he's gonna do.
We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what